let's volume this down. So this is a song or an album I've never seen before, Ziggurat True North. It's called Dungeon Synth. I'm not sure what that means. I guess it implies sort of like video gamey stuff. But anyway. I completely devastated my sleep schedule because I figured, because I drank one Starbucks brand Frappuccino 9-ounce coffee at 10 p.m. and then I stayed up till 6:30 analyzing what's it called? Arthur Whitney's K interpreter, which was 50 lines of C. This is 25 of them. Oh, right. You can't see that because display capture broke last stream. So, okay. But yeah, so I spent like 8 hours straight doing this and then went to sleep at 6:30 in the morning. Not a smart idea, but it was kind of fun. And also my computer's been rattling and making all sorts of noises, so I definitely will invest in just building a new PC. That could be a fun activity. And then I can do something else with this one. Like maybe I can make this my Linux target. That could be fun to try and stream from this when it's running Linux. Because I feel like most of the problems with this computer are software. Like there's things like like I've talked about it before, like the keyboard, both the onboard laptop keyboard and like USB keyboards, the like button up events sometimes don't fire, so I'll press a button and it'll just stay held down. So just annoying things like that that are just like clearly not functioning right. But anyway, that's enough of what even is this? Let's do right. I'm also adding markdown support to my website, like generating thing. And I'm going to add syntax highlighting to the markdown support, specifically for that blog about Arthur Whitney's jank-ass C code. But I will not do that stuff. But okay, let's see. Is any of this stuff important still? Eventually I have to actually save files. But enough of that nonsense. Let's go get our to-dos in order. Fail-safe teleportation. Delete the shop guy. Ability to dismiss him. So these are, I guess, the 3 things I'll work on today. Yeah, because sounds suck to work on. Okay. So just to show off where we were last time. And also I should turn off my front light because it's glaring on the monitor. But anyway, we were, oh yeah, Orstad pestering us. Because he's a follower now. And he's standing on my head. What we should do is probably divide the y diff by like some factor. So if we go to the follower, I'm just gonna do so where do we use direction? So I think we'll probably just have to have this in these places, maybe? Well, no, this is fine here. Oh, wait. Okay. Never mind. We actually can do like direction.y, or like var d2 equals direction d2.y. And then we can do like d2. So now what it does is this distance is calculated with significantly less emphasis on the y-axis. So hopefully when he's standing on our head, he knows that he's like close to us and will ignore it. Because now this basically makes his like desired radii like a squashed ellipse. Or no, a stretched ellipse. Yeah. So now when he's standing on our head, he will not pester us like that. Okay. That's cool. I really should get this, like, not, like, constantly changing. I don't know. It's just so annoying. Oh well. Okay, failsafe teleportation. So how do we want this to work? I think it should take the absolute distance, or maybe it should take this d2 value. Because I'm thinking he may ignore vertical positions. Yeah, I'm just going to do a very basic version right now. Let's just see if it works to have, so else, if distance greater than radius, or let's just do like 200 or something. No, it should probably be smaller than that, like 40, then, here dot, let's do like var offset equals player dot transform dot origin plus dot mesh dot global transform dot basis dot z. This will be a minus. Oh, wait. And state timer greater than 20 or 10 or something. Well, no, because what this doesn't actually change, because the state timer is for like the idle and walk to. Okay, let's do it like this for now. Let's also do like times like 4 or like 5. So it'll teleport behind the player. And maybe it should do, I mean, it should eventually do like a physics cast to make sure it's not like putting him in geometry, but for now what it's going to do is it's just going to do that. And how, so basically, this would be like, if I climb up here, he can't follow me. Yeah, so he's gonna have some bad luck here. Oh, not quite, actually. So how do we actually, get him... See if I can get him stuck somewhere. Ooh, I have no idea what that jank was, but okay. So now he's stuck down there, probably, maybe. Okay, then he teleports there. And that works here. And now what we can do is let's do like var s equals player. S plus, no, S minus this. And then var r equals cast intersect. How do we get world? Alright, let's find the player. Because I know the player has something with, like, intersect ray. Okay. Space. Oh, we have to do... Alright. Why don't I just do, like, this? I think all that C is influencing how I code in a deranged way. Oh wait, no. This is var... Let's do, like, world. This will be from start to end. Ignoring ourself with a collision mask of 1. I should also ignore the player. Alright, let's also do, like, plus... Just a little bit off the ground, I guess. Sign value doesn't have a set type. Why does get world... Oh, it's because it's a navigation agent. Okay, so we need to do body get world space. Okay, because it's a space. It's not a spatial node, even though it navigates 3D space. Equals. Let's do like if c dot c dot position, if position in C. If the ray did not intersect anything, then the empty dictionary is returned. So we'll do C dot position, if not C dot empty. I guess we could just do like that there. Else, E. Yeah, I think also, from reading all that code, the thing that I liked most about it was just the fact that essentially it was solved before he wrote the code. Because I tend to just dive right into writing code, which tends to form rather, like, messy solutions. Because I think most of his code is just too terse to really, like, follow easily. Okay, I'm tired of this song. It's like dogs and cats barking. It's like birds. I don't know. Here's Joachim Heinrich ambient mix. Okay, so let's get him stranded again. See how it works if maybe, like, I go over to this side and then, like, try to jank him out deliberately. Oh. Why is... Okay, there we go. Godot also doesn't like handling, up and down events when you exit the application. Or, like, when you're... I guess it's because, the fact that you can do input, like, is button pressed is, that's not really how keyboards work. They just send discrete events when you press it and when you release it. They don't actually send... Like, you can't just check if a keyboard button is pressed. You have to have the history of it. And so some APIs hide that. Like, I was also recently doing stuff in OpenFL, and that was, like, a big annoyance for me that I had to manually track every button press. Okay, so that worked pretty well. Can I... Oh. If you enter dialog... Interesting. Let's just put that in bugs. Disable wave shot when entering dialog. This guy's still a little too close for my tastes. I think maybe I'll make the inner radius a bit bigger. So yeah, let's do like 4 and like 7. I guess actually we could do, so the outer radius here. So that way he teleports to the very fringe of where he's expected to be. And he simply follows us from, Wait, where's, D2? Oh, speed... No, speed, Okay, speed is not proportional to distance. Let's also do, like, our player speed, then. Or let's do, like, PV equals player dot velocity. PV dot Y... Well... what do I want to do here? Let's do, like... Same thing here. So here, it'll try to match the player's velocity when we are within the outer radius. Otherwise, it's going to do... Maybe it should do this PV here? Like, ignore the player's Y velocity? Or make it have significantly less impact? Yeah, let's do that. See how that works. And there should probably be some sort of, like, interpolation here, but oh well. Okay, and now also, he's much more, like, amenable to not being really annoying. Well, I think he should move even slower as he approaches the inner radius. Like, almost stopping. How do I get out of here? Okay, if I just juke him with just like some zigzag stuff here. No, he's smarter than that. Or slipperier. Alright, I just had a smart idea. What if we actually go into the area that I'm going to be platforming instead of just, like, out in this trivial, like, field? Like, if we're going to be testing out in the field, it better be, like, way over here. I have a good idea. NPCs should not initiate dialogue when they're on your head. So that's going to be this dialogue circle. So I think just like that would be good enough. Okay. And he feels reasonably natural-ish. I think the next steps... Because I think all that stuff about, like, multiple and... Well... He could still do better with, like... Wait, I have a good idea. He should probably have the, middle point between his intended direction and his, where does this rotate? Rotate toward plus direction divided by 2. Let's do like global, or body, global transform. This.z. So basically it'll just be our current forward direction. So that way, he will attempt to... What will he do? He should... There we go. So now he actually, like, puts a little bit of effort into actually getting up ledges and things. He could probably do a little bit more effort. I mean, he could certainly do a better job. But I'll say his emergency teleporting stuff is good enough. He'll be reasonably close by. And then let's have, what should we have? Let's talk to him to exploit his, checkpoints, and then we'll save and quit. All this stuff is fine. We need City 1. So he spawns when old feeling intro is there. And we should also have... Oh wait, he already has his follower script stuff. I guess I could just have this version of Orstad also have the follower brain stuff. Like, I could just do, like... So, like, NPC Orstad shop. Because now what it'll do is he'll automatically be deleted when the shop, or when he's a follower. So they both have the same thing. Because now if we teleport back there, he should be fine. Oh, also, teleporting. That'll be a useful thing to figure out. Oh, and also, double also, making sure that they don't follow the player into certain areas, such as the medium. Oh, well, let's do teleport, terrain, city 1. Look at that, right behind us. So yeah, this should delete him. It did not delete him. I'm not sure why. Oh wait, this is... He has a persistent location. Wait, no, that's here though. Yeah, because he does have a persistent location. And that's, when spawned in is false, so if is current follower and not spawned in, we delete him. Or we're supposed... Oh wait, no. But it's because I made this during the game, I think. So now if I do it, Orstad should spawn behind me, and this Orstad should not... he should not be here. Okay, where's follower Orstad anyway? Is he like okay? Oh, there he is. And I think another fun thing would be like contextual like dialogue based on the location you're at, which would be good as well, because I don't want the player to like walk down all the way down to the to the other side of the world with Orstad following them, and then Orstad doesn't comment on the fact that they haven't gone to the plateau yet. But okay, why are you not here, Orstad? Like, is he not a follower? Is he not in the right group? No, he's fine. So what does this one do that the other one doesn't? I mean, there is no custom entry there, but... Okay, let's see our follower brain. So if this thing... It should come in here, so let's do... There should be 2 of these that are deleted. If persistent location, if is current follower. Okay, so this one's queued free. And then we have another one. Okay, so both of them should be... Oh, okay. That one was spawned in. So why are you here, Orstad? Wait, did I forget to delete the other one? No. So why are you here? Let's do like, print, delete, get path. And he should probably also be, immediate. Well, I don't know if he should be immediately deleted. Okay, let's ignore that. Which ones were deleted? Oh, wait, hang on. It should free the body and the mind. So his brain was being removed, but he was not be. Yeah. He was not be removed. Okay, now it works. Also, the camera still does not work. So if I save there, the camera should be looking forward. So like, if I do this, it must be using some other definition of forward. Who are you? Oh. I should have known. Okay, so let's teleport back to like 85. Yeah, this seems... Yep, they're pretty... This is working decently. Okay, so... That all works. Delete shop. Following him. Ability to dismiss Orstad. Alright, so let's say like, where should it be? Because he should be back somewhere. So maybe they need to save a resting position. Because how do I respawn Orstad? Maybe what I'll do instead is, the follower brains will be like, where do I put this? Let's do like, remove from tree, or no, like body.get parent, remove child body, global.register $t equals body.global transform, or like, let's do like, body t Well, that should be there. Maybe I can even do this. So let's do function despawn follower f. And this will be one of our, like, intermediate states, basically. Commit situations, blah, blah, stats temp, maybe. Well, no, I'll just have, like, var. Actually, it doesn't even need to be a dictionary. It can just be an array. Because it'll be an array of dictionaries. Okay, so this will be body, PC. And then, var despawn followers dot append body function spawn follower id string, or like yeah, for s b in despawn followers if b dot friendly equals id, then oh wait, no, we also need that append b wait, how do dictionaries work? Have I misunderstood? Have I forgotten how dictionaries work in this? Oh, wait. No, I haven't. Though it is syntax highlighting this like types, which is confusing me. Okay, so b.b.friendly id. Then, get tree. And this is sort of messy, but because this is basically just only when the player has... This only occurs when the player has recruited a follower and then dismissed them and then goes back to where they were, or goes back to where the NPC was. So this is just to make that specific scenario work. And what it'll do is just add the NPCs, like the respawned NPCs, just at the base node of the tree rather than in the appropriate chunk, so they're not going to be unloaded properly. But my assumption is the player isn't going to play for long enough for that to be like a dramatic issue. And then we're going to do like var to remove equals nothing. To remove append b add child b dot global transform equals b dot t, and then for b into remove Spawned followers dot remove. Oh wait, no. There we go. So now what we can do is follower. So let's do like I've forgotten. Okay, there it is. So now what we can do is like following return meta state equals follow miss if current follower. Let's do like global.set stat follower nothing. Player fade in body queue pre global spawn follower so basically clear the follower, fade in, spawn the follower, queue free. And that means that we can do, yeah, and that should work. So we can do like I must do like otherwise. And let's also do like, so sub exit main speaker following exit. Wait, main speaker brain following. So now he always has to have a brain. Well, I guess technically it could silently fail, but oh well. So now what it should do is I should have the ability to dismiss him, and when I go, he'll come back. Didn't quite work, it seems. Oh wait, no. It did. I just have a breakpoint. Okay. So now I should be able to go back up to the elevator. Alright, it takes its sweet time. Didn't quite work. Why did it not quite work? Oh, let's call deferred, I guess, on this then. So let's do follower dot spawn follower. Okay, and that's why that didn't work, because it was in some weird, like, half state, I think. Like its transform was reset or something. What did I do? Oh, let's do, like, if D. Let's do actually like this. If not empty, or D dot empty. Because now follower is going to be reset to this thing. Oh, right. The very high saturation on like the underlighting of this area looks pretty ugly with the red. I mean, admittedly, the game needs like some ambient occlusion, I think. I think I probably need to like make like a baked solution for it. Because the baked lighting took way too much like storage space so that things like took super long to load and stuff, but like maybe like vector wise, why is nobody here? Or stud. Hang on. Let's see what happens. So let's place entity. So it's like and then we'll do like because he should not be our current follower anymore. Oh, he is our current follower. Oh no, it's because his brain is wrong. His poor brain. Hang on, what do they do? Why are they doing this? So it should be like their default state should be state.idle. And when they're idle, it should enable dialog and then set the state to state.idle. And then, once the state is state.idle, it does some gravity stuff, and then if there's a collision and metastate is equal to idle, and it doesn't do anything else. So why did he go there? Hang on, let's see if I can like track him. Okay, what are you doing, buddy? Where are you going? So he's clearly not in the idle state, though. Oh, wait. No, okay, I see. No, I don't see. It's like, let's do, like, print... get path... dot No, state.keys state state.keys state. Why are they an idle walk to? Who told them to go walk to? Okay, I think this needs to be... Okay, this needs to be idle by default. That's the thing. Oh, and I just realized, Orstad could just follow the player from here now. Hang on. Like, because we don't actually need this at all. We can just have him at the shop, and then he'll be like, Well, how do I want to do that? Oh, yeah. I guess his default... Yeah, his default entry is going to be follower. And then we can do that as well with, So we need now a function called like set entry. Where is that? Wait, I guess we don't even need that. We could do like... So yeah, we don't need this at all. Gray... So home by accompanying me to the old city. Do like main speaker set. Because I forgot that I can just set the entry here. So like custom entry follower. There we go. So let's see how I can set this up. So we could do like, I'll probably just start a new game to make sure that it like properly evaluates stuff. It's like, we will wipe the slate clean. And someday we'll even have like meaningful buildings here, or like a reason he's up here. And like more than one person in this city. Okay. Do that. Why are my arrow keys not working? Oh. Oh, right. It's not string. It's that. and also we don't need to print every frame now. Oh wait, tricky thing here. Despawning a follower means that it should put the follower back where let's do like what am I doing? Oh wait, first off, do the NPCs actually extract themselves from the chunk? I'll have to figure that out. Okay, let's go back up to here. Let's do despawn follower, or like dismiss. So like, we're not going to queue free here. We're going to do spawn follower self, or like body. And then it'll be like, let's see. Let's do like dismiss. And it'll be if follow friendly ID. And then we'll do what we're going to do is if b not b equals follower, then follower t let's do like function mark follower removed or active. So basically what this will do is the exact same thing this does, except instead of actually deleting it, it'll just do, it'll add it here. Because that way we can do this, and then else we do this crap, we'll remove it from there, and then if moved or delete follower through. So if we find the follower in the list, and then if delete follower dot queue free. So now when a follower does this, we'll do okay, and then where is this used? So set as follower should be used. This should be set there. Okay. So now what it does is when you get a node from the tree and you set it as the current follower. Oh wait, we should also make sure that when you spawn it. Okay, so it does follow player instead. That's good. So how does set as follower do its stuff? Wait, let's do save follower here. Well, so set as follower. I see what I'm gonna do. Set as follower will follow player. There we go. Let's see if this all works. So basically, because he's in the tree, we can do all this stuff. All of that. And then, basically, there'll be a few things. One is, if we dismiss him now, teleports right back to where he was. He should not be following the player, though. Oh, I know why. Because, set meta m state dot item. Oh, and then also they should do I'll set it here. Let's do body custom entry equals nothing. I mean, that's sort of like sus, but you know, because, well, let's have like pre-follower entry or something like. Pre-follower entry, and then we'll have like save. So let's set as follower. Okay, so now it'll set as follower, that'll save our entry, and then once we do it, it'll do this. And I won't set the entry, because I'm just not going to do that yet. Maybe later. Well, actually, why not? Let's live a little. So that does that. And then, actually, what should we do? No, I'll keep this the same. I'll keep this as it is. Otherwise, it'll get too weird. Yeah, I'll set the entry through the dialog. And by default, I can spawn the entity, you know, with whatever entry I want. Because otherwise, it'll get too weird. Okay, so now what I can do... oh. Let's do, like... the ability to have him, like, come back with us again. Oh, wait, and we don't need this anymore. Oh, wait, I just realized. I could just have let's do like custom entry nothing. So yeah, because I don't need any of this like free follower stuff. Where even was it? Because that's more stuff that's going to break. Because I can just set the entry when you dismiss them. Right, and I need, let's do, like, global task. So, otherwise not global task is active. Let's do task exists. Can you accompany me to... There we go. So now that the task is active, I can talk to him again, and anytime I've dismissed him, I can then be like, hey, do you want to accompany me to Sherrod? Oh. Is it not? Oh, wait. Task exists. This is here. Oh, did I not do global task? Task underscore. Oh. Okay, so that explains why that was all broken. Could you accompany me to Sherrod? And there's a little bit of jank with the fact that the dialog circle closes as they become active and then reopens as they are or as they like idle again. Yeah, and now we can fire him again. And we can no-clip back up there. And he should still be there. And then what we can do is we can do this again. Well, he almost worked. So there's some, like, animation bug. Or there's some minor animation bug. It's kind of janky. And then let's save and quit here. Because now, if we spawn back in, I can test the dismissal. Because basically now, he is not the same node. So he's not just being moved back into place. He's going to be deleted. And a new one is spawned in his place. So the one that was there is deleted. And the one that was spawned in... Where the hell is he? There you are. And then we can do that again. Oh. Right. And now he's back up here. And then I can do the same thing over and over again. And he did not make the jump. I'm pretty confident. Is he like gonna come up here? Where is he? I think maybe it shouldn't be like 10 for the y-axis. It should probably be like 5. And then we can have like him right here. Let's save and quit. Oh wait, no. We didn't save at that position, so he'll just spawn back behind us. In fact, maybe it'd be best if they didn't save their position and instead were just like always teleported at a convenient position for the player. I mean, I guess it's fine. Where is he? Oh, I didn't even see him behind me. Okay. I think I got the deleting them. So ability to dismiss, that seems pretty good. And then let's do like... So a smaller fix is going to be... C's in dialog. That'll be like that. And let's, I guess, lower this to there. And now we get to the hard part, which is... I still don't actually know what to write there. And I guess that's fine as it is. It's not great looking, but it's... Do I... I don't know if I'm up for it. And admittedly, I've realized a lot of these quests are... You walk up to a guy, and then... Oh, well. You know what? I'll fix this thing. Let's do... I mean, currently there's no support for multiple followers, like handling... Like, there's no code in place to handle, like, when there are too many followers, but that'll be okay. That'll be the bridge we cross when we get to it. Alright, so let's fix this wave shot dialog. Earth thing. So maybe, like, I guess I'd just do stow. I could do that. Here. Stow. Animator. Gun. Okay, so we have set current weapon and swap too. So let's do like Hmm. We could do like current weapon dot holster. Actually, how does that work? So what does holster do? Oh, we only have unholster and stow. Okay, that makes sense. So where do I have, like... player, holster, stow, gun? Is it the gun itself that handles this time? Because there's some timed, like, holster. Delay hidden fire, time quit, time hide. Okay, so if time since fired is greater than time hide, we disable. And then we can do gun.disable. Okay, so now let's do s.dialog locked gun.disable. Because disable sets the state to hidden locked. And setting the state to hidden locked sets it to stow, maybe at some point. Maybe. Huh, it just hides the stuff. Oh, right, because I think stow and unholster are used for, like, removing things from the tree. Or, like, undoing effects of it. Okay, let's see if this actually works, though. It's basically... Okay, so that did not work. Start dialogue. How do we, oh, we just do locked? Oh wait, why do we not do... Oh no, okay. If not is locked, we lock true. And because we lock true, it sets the state to dialogue locked. Because it sets the state to dialogue locked, we do our mesh, wherever that is, stuff, mesh.enter state. And that goes to here. So it should disable the gun. So if it's hidden... Okay, I see. Okay. Because hidden guns can still charge. Let's set it to, like, no weapon. Or, like, function holster. Well, no, because disable should do the same thing. What if we did, like, Wave shot, charge, fire, stow. And also, does so do we have, oh, we already have a force variable. Um, hmm. Let's just try like set state dot no weapon. And then what we can do in the animator is just holster the gun. Because basically I don't want it to like make it so the player has to select their weapon again. Oh, rapid start. Okay, I see. So that should still do if current weapon dot stow. Do I ever use no weapon otherwise? Oh, let's do like free, and let's do if not, or if dot unholster. Okay. Because basically the stow function also hides the weapon itself. Because we have two different like layers of visibility. One for like any weapon. Okay. So now it basically works. Oh, not quite. Let's do if current weapon that locks on, and let's if not current weapon dot visible. Because there's several different places where I actually want to show the weapon. Like when you start a combo, when you pull out the gun, there's like a brief period where the gun is not actually in the free state because it's like waiting to shoot. Okay, so now if I push it back. Yeah, so now it works basically as normal. Let's also see if I can like immediately have exiting. So if we do like exit. Oh, okay. Sub exit. So let's do like if main speaker. So yeah, if we're following, we're just gonna immediately exit because that is less annoying. Let's do our global follower. And there's a lot of things for me to do. Okay. And now it immediately exits. Good. It should probably have like a frame where it doesn't have that react, like the NPC or the on entered function, I guess. Because otherwise, when the NPC is standing on your head and then he activates his dialogue, he still talks to you, or like is standing like right next to you. Where it should always be like an active choice for the player to talk to an NPC. But oh well. Hmm. Fixed a bug with entering dialogue while armed. And these are all lower priority. Custom hair and hats for dial Jackie. I already did that one. I guess. No, there's tons of stuff for this quest. I just haven't thought of it yet. Activate the meme. Use capacitor on Armstrong to ask about it. I could do that. Yeah, we can redesign capacitors to be an item that the player just has on hand. So it'll be like inventory. Where are the UI? So yeah, visible items no longer in there. Because we're gonna have new resource item description. An ancient supercapacitor. I guess it's a key. And then it'll have this. And then let's say extra items. Let's see if this works. Because that should just let us do this. So like item capacitor, and then inventory capacitor. Look at that. The mouse sensitivity is not correct there. Times equals -1 mouse cube times mouse sensitivity. Let's do like 5 times 5. Is this correct? Why is this multiplied by delta? Yeah, this should be here times delta. And then this will not be there. And then we can do like 0.01, 0.01. Oh wait, we don't need this anymore at all. Because that was when the player controlled the mouse settings. Okay. So now what we can do. Should probably be, let's times it by 0.1. Let's do like 4. Yeah, this seems much more like reasonable. So now you can fiddle around and play with the mouse, rotate this thing all you want, and it's like actually like at a reasonable rate. I could potentially add the camera sensitivity, but, well, I don't think I'll do that. Well, actually, now that I think about it, what if I did divided by os dot do size? Okay. So now it's dependent on the resolution of the screen somewhat. So let's do like 10 times 10 maybe. 100 times 100? This doesn't seem right. Is it 0, maybe? Or let's do, like, divided by window size times mouse sensitivity here. So that way, the number of pixels you move. That might actually be what I want to do for all the monitors, because that might be one of the big things that's changing the sensitivity for other people. How is it like so? That's so weird. I mean, I guess I'm dividing by 1,000 on each side now, or like 1,000 and 2,000, but... Huh. Let's do like 25. It feels like the vectors aren't quite working correctly. Yeah, it feels like this does something. But the actual, like, this here does not do anything. But okay, now it actually has, like, you know, responsiveness. I can actually click and drag. Oh, wait, I need item. Very cool. And then we can do, let's go to project dialog intro Armstrong. Let's do like all right. And then we'll have like item, capacitor, where, global, or let's do like, so it should be Armstrong discussed, so I guess this and that. I just realized oh wait, no, that should actually work. Sort of, because okay, so we have, if we have talked to Armstrong, and we've done that, go to, or let's do like, let's do like, um, then let's do otherwise. Then we're gonna do, go to medium capacitor. And then this stuff will be there. And we'll have this here. A lot of duplicated stuff, sort of. But okay. So now basically, let's start a new game. So there'll be two scenarios to test. One is just getting a capacitor. That'll be easy. If not is instance valid player return. It's like set false. Some weird thing. I don't know why that happens though. Because like I deleted this. It's like the whole world is deleted now. Why is that one? Like, hang on. Oh wait. Why is the mouse not showing up? Why is this so pixelated? Like compared to these ones. Also, eventually I should make it so that if you click that with a mouse, it doesn't apply the same thing that it does when it's a button. But that'll be trickier. Okay, but let's do, we need a few different branches, so let's do you. Excellent. Let's save. Armstrong. Item capacitor. Let's use the item capacitor. Okay, so now let's load game Armstrong, and then we'll do the correct way, which is to go this way. And this is basically just to, because basically one of the players I was showing the game to immediately tried to use the capacitor, and they were confused as to why they couldn't. Let's see, do we actually have, oh yeah, and also we can do, player, wherever the player is. Because now we no longer have, where's all this crap? Don't need this. And I spent all that time designing that icon. Oh, and also, I should eventually do the same treatment to the flags here, because they're just a usable item as well. I'll just put that in the UI, but that'll be a lower priority. Flags should be regular items in the inventory. And then simplify UI, or like reduce prominence. This will be that, and this will be even lower. Yeah, so now those are gone for good. Also, I found the wall jump is not more useful there. Okay, so now I think I can just, yeah, I can just climb up here. Easy peasy. Oh yeah, climbing on fences. Now, do I have sound effects for that? I should. Oh yeah, and let's make sure. An ancient supercapacitor, current count 1. Oh, I should have done, okay, so now I need to load game, Armstrong. Well, I don't think there's going to be anything crazy that happens. Ah, well, I'll just do it anyway. Because basically there's 4 variations. Using the item, talking to him, and then getting the capacitor from the... Oh, I died instantly. That's the game's anti-crush mechanic. Because otherwise you get pushed through geometry if you, like, stand under elevators and stuff. Okay. Alright, I don't need that. Use an item. Capacitor. Wait, why was the capacitor not in the... Hang on. Why was it not in the notifications that you could use the capacitor here? In fact, I'll also say that as well. It's like an important... Well... So yeah, I'm definitely not going crazy. The item was just not indicated in the UI. So let's do... Okay, so I can use an item here. Oh, what? Oh no, this is supposed to be otherwise. This still needs a thing. This still needs, like, not global... Wait, what does this need? No, that's fine. Oh, this exit is in the wrong place, maybe? No, I think that's fine. Yeah, there's something weird going on now. Because that shouldn't be happening. Let's debug the dialog viewer. Do, like, next item, maybe? Or, like, advance? Maybe here? What are we doing? Start. So we clear that. Coolio. It's like going like 2 lines at a time, which is weird. Oh, we're doing the labels here. Okay. Why is next item null? Oh, okay, because we do find next item first. So we have our next item. So we need conditions. So this is not true. So it'll be that. Otherwise it's true. What's our next condition? Otherwise. And then global. Okay, so if the medium is not activated, which is true, I think. No, it's not true. Or oh, it was true. It was empty though. So okay, we went into otherwise not whatever it was. Yeah, okay, because this is not true, and then this is true. So I think that's going to be the next one. Yeah. Is that? Okay, yeah. Otherwise not medium stat. Discuss door. Other. Oh, okay. I deleted something here. Did I? Oh, wait. We need this. I guess. Here? Wait, why is this even here? Like, this should be... Yeah, okay, so we have this. And let's not abolish this yet. Actually, maybe let's... Yeah. I guess we'll do that. So this should have gotten that. And that makes sense. So we've discussed the door. So I guess it'll be like okay, so this explains why there's no dialogue, because there's actually just no dialogue. Okay. I guess I just hadn't even thought of, like... I think this might have just been a genuine bug. Oh, wait. What did I do? Okay. Alright, let's skip everything. There we go. Alright, and then you can like okay, pretty cool. So now I fixed whatever I was just working on. Oh, my hard drive is like... Wait, why is the external hard drive reacting to this? Because it's on the desktop. Oh well. Made capacitors a normal item. Wrong. Okay, so that is what am I doing? Where even was it? There it was. Completed. And I think everything else here, I think that quest doesn't have anything else that I can think of. See, this I could do, because the quest really is, like, terrible. Or, not, well, it's not bad. The physics on the plane are bad, though. So I should probably do... I can cobble together, like, a game world where this works. Okay. Let's do teleport in 37. Okay. Oh, wait, do I need to... Alright, let's do... What's that? Laili / pre-flight, I think that's what it is. Or it's actually pre hyphen flight. One or the other. Basically, that adds her up here. And then we can do save flight test. Alright, so let's see if I can... Oh, right. I forgot. Let's go to Laili again. Did I lower that priority? Because that... Oh, yeah. Okay. That'll be something I fix as well. So this is side content 137. Laili. Plane, like, fly. So I will do exit plus. So now it should only do the exit effect once we actually exit dialog. Also, why is there no music? Oh, because the music ended. Let's do armored core frequency. Yeah, we should... Guess it should probably be pretty low. But okay. So now, when we do this... that's still not right. What the hell? Oh, right. Okay, so now if I do this... And eventually, I think it might actually be better if Laili is riding with the player, because then it makes sense why she can, like, teleport to you. Look at these, like, meat hands. Oh, wait. Her meat hands are actually, like, an issue, because her gloves are not present. Where the hell are her gloves, then? Add it to the list. Gloves are skin on the life jacket. Because I was right that because I was the Also, eventually I need to make her like actually hold the steering wheel, but that'll be a smaller priority. Oh yeah, I forgot. The entire point of this is that the physics on that thing are god-awful. Oh, Christ. Yeah, also, we need exit plus for when we land. Okay, so let's go to the plane. So I think I can do... let's get this. Then I think this... Good, okay. So now we can remove this stuff. Activate. Let's apply central impulse times start force. Let's call this like start. Well, let's also make the mass of this thing pretty heavy, like 45 kilograms or something. Oh, how do we monitor contacts? Let's just ignore that then. What exactly is this doing? Also, is this the right thing? Direction impulse without add force is what I think we need. Or add central force. Oh wait, linear velocity times linear velocity dot length times delta times mass, maybe? And let's say that this starts as whatever it'll be. Static. Let's remove spin as well, I think. Well, I'll keep that. Do I care about this? I'm not going to do this. I'm just going to add friction. This isn't quite right. Let's add like a new physics material. Yeah, high friction, and it'll be rough. And let's make it like that. And we'll add a little bit of bounce to it. Oh my god. Okay. And we can just add central force there. And we don't need to do this. We can just add central torque. Oh, and we need this to be... I guess we don't need that there. I guess we do axis times rotation here. Okay, let's just see if this mess even works. Oh wait, no, it won't work because I didn't set the rigid body mode. Start. So, fly. So there's reset flight. Okay, so we have reset and we have activate. Mode equals rigid. And then when we do reset, mode equals, let's do like, I guess I don't need to, do I need to do this? I can just return here, right? Let's... I think some characters should probably not have checkpoints when you talk to them. Well, yeah, I think that makes sense. Oh, right. Rotates. So let's do... Alright. More words. Well, that's fine, actually. This is not fine. Let's do add fork. I think we need some more stuff here. So let's just do like apply central impulse. So start speed times mass. So that'll be our, oh yeah, and let's do sleeping equals false and false, and then when we reset, it'll be and sleep equals true. Apply central impulse. Let's do like plus vector 3 dot up, maybe? Or like this. So that way there's a little bit of upward momentum. And let's do start speed of like 1,000. Just to see if this will actually work. Fascinating. Why is that the case? What exactly... Body entered... I don't know which node this is, but that's fine. Maybe this, we could change, we could lower the friction, and then we could do this. Let's ignore, you know what, let's reset all these. Well, let's put the friction down lower, see what happens if we do like... Does it only work if it's like starts rigid and then we set it to like set physics, or let's do like mode equals mode static. Like maybe because there's a bunch of things in Godot that don't work quite right if you start them as like with no physics. Like the soft body physics I know don't do that. Okay, so did the thing fall over? Looks okay. I mean, it certainly is rotated. Let's go to the velocity. So add central force, this, oh wait, because it's delta there. That probably doesn't. Oh wait, no. That was process. Wait, what the heck is this? Okay, let's fly. Do we have any, like, mass times gravity times lift times drag times x times y? Do we actually add, like, velocity anywhere? Wait, I guess we don't, because it's meant to model like a plane. Wait, and we don't need gravity either. Let's do like mass times lift plus these ones, and then let's set this to like 0 for now, so that way there's no drag. At least in the horizontal axis. So can we do like a roll speed and a pitch speed? Let's do like 20. Does that do anything? I think we're moving, maybe? What if I just... I mean... It feels like none of these things are actually doing anything. There we go. So now we can actually, like, pitch. Oh, wait, is it because there's delta in here? It is. Let's do mass times this. And then we can do, like, oh wait, and we can't set linear velocity directly. I don't see, doesn't seem quite very good. Oh wait, now because the velocity is like 10 trillion squillion of the other, like, line, central impulse. So yeah, let's set the start speed now to like a more reasonable number. Getting launched out of a glider at 40 meters a second. Why is it like not... Why am I... Why am I here? I'm like, no, why am I here? Player disable collision. Did I... Hang on. What did I change? Oh, that's good. That seems fine. Like, did I put the player somewhere? Alright, let's do, like, player dot velocity, or let's do, like, player dot global transform dot origin equals, like, where do we start flying? Wait, it's activate. Oh, I see. And this is why the player was, like, janked out, because... What exactly does this... There's something really strange here. Vehicle. This isn't used anymore. Oh, wait, no. Okay, I remember why. Because it disables the movement. So where's the player supposed to be on this thing, anyway? I guess we could just do, like, player.global transform.origin equals global transform.origin. In fact, we could probably just do that for, like, this whole thing. Because I think it originally did something like reparenting the player, but now it's not doing that, it looks like. I don't get it. Okay. There we go. And now... we don't need to, like, rocket off at, like, 10 billion miles an hour. We can do, like, 1. Or, like, a quarter of the speed. Oh. We need some rotational damping. In fact, let's just add that then. Like, add a bit more friction. Angular damp. And now it'll be very difficult to get it back to the... because I liked the physics, or I liked how it tuned the physics, but... the actual, like, collision behavior was just not acceptable. And I'd have to basically simulate rigid bodies otherwise. Okay. I cannot rotate whatsoever. That does not work. Hmm. Why do we exit here? Like, because I can just do... Actually, we could... Well... Okay, oh, I see now. It's because originally what I was doing was the flying would exit or would save before we actually exit. So now it doesn't do that because we're already exited. So now what we need to do is figure out something else to do because we need to save the checkpoint still. Let's do like bar saved transform. How does the glider spawn laili? Okay, I guess that's fine. So save transform will be a transform, and when we fly, or when we start flight, what the heck is this thing called? Okay, it is just fly. If this stuff saved transform equals global dot get player dot get saved transform. And then when we reset the flight, we will do global dot save checkpoint. No, checkpoint position equals saved transform. There we go. So now this will like half work. Because we're still going to have issues with the physics interpolation. But okay, now basically, once we exit, it applies all its effects. Actually, hopefully exit plus. So let's go to the dialog viewer. Do we save the checkpoint here early? Let's evaluate the code last. No, actually, that does exactly what I want. I think. Wait, not quite. Oh, jeez. I need to, Oh, wait, no. I can actually do... It's actually pretty easy. I just have to do a call deferred for reset flight. Which is dumb looking. Because now there's like 3 levels of like embeddedness. But basically, we will exit the dialog and then it'll reload our previous checkpoint or reapply it. Why is the torque busted? And why is our position busted? Like, why is it like out of sync? And now I can press X, it doesn't work. Why did it not work? Like, do I have to call, like... what do I have to do? Maybe like this? Let's do if not P, return. And I'm actually gonna yield get create timer 0.1 timeout, and then it's gonna show the prompt, and it's gonna set our transform to the saved transform. Because I think what it is just something jank with how it's set up. Actually, and also while I'm here, we don't need that to be deferred anymore, because apparently that wasn't enough to get it like in the right location. Okay. So yeah, there's a few weird things. One is the fact that it like is jittering like crazy. Actually, I wonder if that's because it's colliding with itself. Because what is this? No, that's just an area. Oh wait, but this area collides with that. No, okay, that's fine. Oh, we aren't in the tree? Maybe just call deferred wait and prompt. Okay. Oh god. I saw that. Okay. We are going straight down. Is this thing gonna, like, stop? Oh, right, because it's a... What the hell do we do with this thing? Like, it stopped. Like, okay. Process. Process crash. So let's do this. It's not in here. What? Why isn't she in the tree? Why is she... Like, she is clearly in the tree. So why is she not in the tree? Oh, maybe it's because the plane is resetting. I mean, I guess that does make sense. Because it does all this stuff. But... Why does that not work? And also, why does it not work for process crash if the player... You know, what if we just don't have that? Actually, what if we just remove this here so we can just have 0? And do we even need delta anymore? Let's do like that. How do I wait to be entered back in? I know. If we do function enter tree, and we have a saved transform, we'll do this. And so what we can do is function enter tree if saved transform not equal to transform. Let's see how many trillion years it takes to get added back to the tree. Actually, well, yeah, this is fine. I'll see if this works. Is it? Why is she not in the tree? She is in the tree. She is in the tree. I don't think I ever called Q free on her. I mean, I free the blanket. If we go to the... Oh, god damn it. Wait, then why? How is she up here still, then? Well, we really screwed up this plane. How does reset work? If the original parent is not valid, we free ourselves. Otherwise, if laili has a parent, we remove her. Where? Then where is she put? Where is she put? Where does she exist? Do we just, like, generate a new laili? Okay, where is laili? Oh, what the fuck? We use an extra one. We have, like, a spare in the garage. Okay. All this crap should have just been in the glider anyway, then. Okay, activate saved player transform equals player dot global no get save transform. Okay. And then we can do when we reset global dot get no player dot set save, or let's do like game. Okay, then p.ui.show, or like prompt. How do we like, oh wait, where's UI? Show prompt, okay. We'll do like global dot, or like if is no. Okay. So basically, if the tree is still, or if the plane is still in range, we can respawn at it. Which, admittedly, there's no reason for that from a gameplay perspective. That's just because of the constraints that I've put myself under here. Because I could just set it somehow. Or like have a save where it's like you can save without, or exit the dialog without saving a checkpoint. Alright, let's just do like... Okay, but at least this actually works. But I did not realize that the glider has its own copy of laili. I forgot I set it up that way. Which I guess makes sense that it does, because there's so many lailis here. There's like 4 copies of her. Okay, and someday, eventually, this might actually now give us the ability to load. Okay. Oh. And I was thinking of quitting an hour and a half ago. Then we'd be missing out on all this great stuff. So I think what we need first off is the ability to translate this... Well, that's okay. Look at that. Now we can actually return to the glider. And the next step will be to make it so that probably lift should work better. Lift factor, let's do like 0.8. 7 or like 5 or something. We'll do like... Oh, there's like no torque whatsoever. So yeah, this is like... These are going back up to 20. They're going back down to 10. Wait, are they based on velocity, actually? Oh, wait, I see. The pitch speed... Okay, so now pitch and pitch and roll are two separate things. Okay, now how process crash works is basically... Actually, I wonder if I can... Man, this thing is like... How the hell do planes even fly? Let's see what happens if I get my drag factor up to like... Or my lift's up that high. Yeah, because there's like absolutely no influence whatsoever. Wings lift times lift factor. What's wings lift? That's fine. Oh, let's remove that. Oh wait, why is it even... Alright. I'll eventually have to add that back. Because basically there's a factor to... What would it be exactly? I think what I need to do is I need to subtract the lift from our linear velocity. Let's do... Maybe we need, like, this here. And then also we're going to do, like, so lift times b dot y plus drag y minus lift times this direction here, or LV equals that, or no, Z. times LZ dot normalize. So this way, if the drag is this way, the drag is directly subtracting from our velocity. Wait. Oh. We would just do okay, I see what I need. We have this here, and then we're gonna have LZ is linear velocity project global transform basis Z. So this is effectively the opposite of lift. So now, it looks like we can do some better control of lift here. Let's do like 0. Well, let's do like 0.1. Let's do like 1. So that thing drops like a rock. Why is that lift not? Linear velocity dot global transform dot basis Z. Alright, this should actually be absolute value. Well, yeah. What is this B here? Global transform basis orthonormalized. So why am I using the global transform basis everywhere? I guess I'm not using it everywhere. Let's see if I can figure out an equations for lift. Equations for Hmm. So that's the change of pressure. Lift force, air density, velocity. Okay, so it's velocity squared. Again, CL is the basically like the rest of the equation. But okay, so we can do. So it should be actually. How to. Which makes sense because it feels like it had too much lift at slow speeds but too little at high speeds. And now it might do the opposite. Let's do like a tenth maybe. I don't understand it. Like, why are we going this way? I guess it's because the lift is still strictly on the top of it. Because, I mean, I assume lift does take from the upper... I think what I could do as well, then, is... Let's have, like, bar, drag, fly, recover equal, like, 0.8. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have the velocity we lose from here is going to be added back. So plus b dot z times drag y times drag y recover. And this will be like absolute value of this. Oh wait, we don't need that. We can just do... So like, we will remove speed from y. So now there's like a feedback loop. There's lift, and then there's this y drag, which is going to like fake forward velocity. Let's increase this drag y. That's not quite right. Yeah, we have a little bit too much forward velocity, or a little bit too much like lift, not enough like forward velocity. Drag Y. That length times Y velocity. So this is velocity along the y-axis. So why is this giving us an upward velocity? What if I tune... So if I tune the lift to be less... So cut this in half. Double this. We basically, like, can go every direction except forward. Let's do, like, 5. What if we just set this one to 0 as well? Okay, so that doesn't help us here. And also we don't need the, don't need this here. The fact that we can, like... Yeah, we're gaining, like, some sort of ridiculous height. And also, our, like, we're completely screwed up in terms of, like... There's, like, weird jittering. So yeah, pointing a plane straight down should not result in it going up. What am I missing? Let's set as many of these to 0 as possible. So if there was no drag, and there's none of this Y drag nonsense. There's none of this. It's just lift and gravity. So yeah, the more downward we point our airplane, Oh, right. Okay, so that's completed. Let's make it so make plane prompt appear even when you go far away. I don't know why that was. Oh, okay. That just wasn't in V4. So everything is technically functional in that the game actually works. But, okay, let's go to Paint, my old trusty tool. So if we have the plane, like, going this way, like this is the wing. So we have gravity going this way. We have some forward velocity. Then we have lift. Then we have drag. I think the first thing we need is we need some way of preserving our horizontal velocity better. So what I think we could do is let's get rid of drag and drag Y and LZ and all this stuff. So we're just going to have lift and lift LZ. And then we're just going to have this for now. And then all this stuff, this is just... do I need... I'll keep this. That basically rotates into its axis, or its direction of movement. Save L. Okay, so this is just with our lift computer thing. So we can see that the lift is clearly blatantly wrong. And also, I think what we need for the player... Wait, no. We need for the glider. Where do we set the player's global transmitter? Plus linear velocity times delta. So yeah, we have way too much lift. Even though the plane doesn't, like, fucking move. How does that work? Let's look at this again, or collider again. Am I doing the lift wrong? Lift equals, no. Lift is equal to wingless lift times lift factor times the power of linear velocity dot bz times 2. So this should make it so that it's only the forward velocity of this transform. So I mean, we could do like just maybe it does have to be less than 1.0. Oh. Oh, right. Wait, how did we get here? Actually, let's just load game L. Okay, so now it doesn't seem like... Okay, it does seem like... No, there's definitely a feedback loop. Or like... We're just creating mass where there is none. Or like creating energy. How do we preserve energy when we're just adding force into a system, though? I think we do need to have the negative... Hang on, I'm gonna see where this is. Okay, so let's try this again. Lift times like 0.8 times b dot z. So this way, like, it's like an attempt at conservation of momentum. Though this... Let's do the opposite, actually. Let's do like if b dot z dot y greater than 0, b dot drag y equals negative drag y. So now there should be a sort of feedback loop where, I mean, it's not doing anything. Oh wait, what if we did mass times the lift here, and we did, well, wait, why do I not need mass here? We'll say, well. Actually, let's not have this for now. So basically, all velocity on the y-axis will feed into velocity in the z-axis, and all velocity in the z-axis will feed into velocity on the y-axis to differing like amounts. But now that I'm thinking about that, that's just going to cancel out. Why does that fucking thing move so fast? This is like... Okay, what if we just added thrust in... Like, what if we just had, like mass times speed, and we're just going to have a speed variable. And then eventually we can have drag. And also we're going to do, like, minus. This time speed minus lift. So that way still there's some illusion of, the conservation of energy. And so I think now we can have significantly lower lift again. It's like we could do like 4 here. Move game L. I think we need... Well, we need more lift. This is driving me crazy. Where does the lift go? It's like now that I have a constant thrust, it's like it drops like a fucking stone. Oh wait, no, I guess I shouldn't be like that. I should be like this. Because the only way to lift, of course, is to have the airplane point straight down. That's how you get lift. What the fuck am I doing wrong? Like, the plane drops like a stone when you keep it level. And then it just, like, accelerates forever this way. Let's do this. Does this do anything? Okay. That did something. That did something that's clearly blatantly wrong. Okay, so we do need a drag factor, I think. Yeah, well, whatever. You know what? I don't understand this. I need to, like, rest on this, I think. Because I am operating on, like, 3 hours of sleep. So I'm just going to call that done for now. I'll be back on Sunday. Probably I'll just have to do the math on pen and paper, figure out what exactly I want with that. That'll be okay. Alright. See you then.